Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to defragment your PC's hard drive on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to defragment your PC's hard drive on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Control Panel. After click on Administrative Tools and click on Defragment and Optimize Drives. That is. And other way, click on Start, type here Defragment. After click on Defragment and Optimize Drive. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to defragment your PC's hard drive on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.